Before you list your Utah property, there are several things to do beforehand. Taking the time to do these things will help you be better prepared when your home goes on the market. This can also make the sales process quicker and easier in the long run. Here are a few items to take care of before you put your home on the market. I would consider a pre-sale home inspection. The inspector will be able to give you a good indication of the trouble areas that will stand out to potential buyers, and you'll be able to make those repairs before open house begin. I would organize and clean the home. You want to have your home sparkle. I would pare down clutter and pack up your least used items such as large blenders and other kitchen tools, out of season clothes, toys, and seasonal items. Store items off-site or in boxes neatly arranged in the garage or basement. Clean the windows, carpets, walls, lighting fixtures, and baseboards to make the house shine. Get replacement estimates. Do you have big ticket items that will need to be replaced soon? Find out how much it will cost to repair an older roof or replace worn carpeting. Even if you don't plan to make those repairs yourself, the figures will help buyers determine if they can afford the home. And they'll be handy when negotiations begin. Let's talk about warranties. I would gather up any of those home warranties, any guarantees, any home improvements that you've made, get those receipts, and any user manuals for like the furnace, washer and dryer, dishwasher, or any of the items that will remain with the home. It may seem like a task, but you don't want to leave this until closing because you don't want any lost paperwork or last minute scrambling to cause the deal to fall through. I would also spruce up the curb appeal. Walk out the front of your home, close your eyes, and pretend you're a prospective buyer seeing the property for the very first time. As you approach the front door, what is your first impression of the property? Do the lawn and bushes look neatly manicured? Is the address clearly visible? Do you need to order new numbers and place those on the home? What do you see framing the entrance? Does it look sharp and nice? Are all the cobwebs gone? Is the walkway free of cracks and impediments? Selling a home is a complicated process, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. And to get a better idea of the value of your home, go ahead and check down below in the description for a link for a free home evaluation. Thanks for watching, and remember that every day is a journey. Let's make it count. Go ahead and give me a call.